So could you tell the difference? If not, that's okay, because I'm going to show you why this little penny sold for $1,560. If you're new, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any important videos I make like this one. Hitting the notification bell will notify you, but let's hop into this coin. So this is a 1943 Lincoln cent coin that was graded by NGC. XF details with scratches. So XF means extremely fine. That's about the mid grade when it comes to condition. Now this is an important factor because this tells me that this coin was out there for a long time before someone picked it up and noticed that something was wrong with it. Now, if you're looking through your coins, a scale is one of the most important things that you need to have. If you're looking for a good scale, I have a supplies link down below. You can click on that. But if you already have a scale, it's important to know the weight of your coin matters. So most steel cent coins should weigh about 2.702 grams. This coin and copper coins should weigh about 3.11 grams. Now it's important to know that there is a 10% variance that the US Mint will deem as acceptable, but when it goes beyond that, there's a high probability that your coin was struck on a wrong planchet. So this 1943 penny was accidentally struck on a 10-cent blank, and by blank they just mean a blank planchet, which is a piece of metal that the coin was struck on. Now if you find one of these coins, make sure that it's not just extremely damaged, because extremely damaged coins can weigh less simply because there's less material on them from the damage, if that makes sense. Now, if you want to learn more coin tips and secrets, I have a completely free ebook down below, but you don't have to do that. Just keep doing your homework and research and learn about these coins, because the last thing you want to do is accidentally sell a coin like this later to find out that it's worth a whole lot of money, like this one that sold for $1,560.